Hi there, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jen from Starshell Communications, and if you're here, you're probably looking to take your email marketing game to the next level. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the step-by-step process of planning and executing a successful campaign, from the spark of an idea to hitting that send button. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refine your strategy, this video will guide you through it all. So let's get started. Are you trying to increase sales or drive traffic to your website? Maybe you're launching a new product or announcing an event. Whatever the goal is, make it specific and measurable. For example, instead of saying, I want more people to read my blog, you can aim for 100 clicks to my blog post within a week. Clear goals set the foundation for everything else within the campaign. The next step is to send your emails to specific segments of your audience. So perhaps if you're a clothing retailer, you sell clothes for men, women, children, and everyone else. If you're only going to do a promotion on women's leggings, then you don't want to be sending it to all the men, as they won't be as interested in it. If you're a financial advisor and you've got people who've signed up for pension information from you, then they may not be interested to know about the mortgage new offers that are coming out with the interest rate changes. It's all about making sure you send the right emails to the right people. This can help with your deliverability as well as your open rate and click-through rate because you're targeting people with specific information that they are looking for. Step 3 is all about planning your content. So the most important part of your content is going to be your email subject line. This is what gets people to actually open your email in the first place. If you've got a killer subject line, and there are a couple of tools online that you can use, I'll list them here for you, then you can, when you've got the killer subject line, then people will open your emails and actually read what's in them. Also, don't forget your calls to action all the way through. Different people respond to different sorts of calls to action. So shop now, click here to learn more, download your guide, all the different calls to action. So using different calls to action through your email will appeal to different sorts of people and increase your click-through rates. The best tip I've got is one clear message per email. So only email people about one thing at a time. The monthly newsletters that we used to send, where people would talk about, like, you used to get your Christmas letters from your gran with everything that's happened throughout the whole year and not interesting to people. People are very busy lives and we need to keep things as simple and as easy as possible for them. So if you want people to check out the new product you've just launched or your new YouTube video, send an email with just that in. It's better to send specific emails to people than it is to bombard them with too much information in one email. And now it's time to design and build your email. Most email platforms like MailChimp, ConvertKit, Easy Peasy Funnels, Funnel Sketchers offer easy to use templates as well as a drag and drop builder. Make sure the design reflects your brand using consistent colors, fonts, and logos. And don't forget about mobile. Over half of emails are read on phones, so a mobile-friendly design is a must. Make sure you check the mobile view before you click send. Also, send it to yourself or to a family member or friend before you send it. Make sure all the links work, the personalization and the custom tags are working, and preview how it looks on desktop and mobile. So step 5 is your execution, and this is where the automation shines. Instead of manually sending each email, if you're using your email platform like MailChimp or Kajabi or Easy Peasy Funnels, then this is where you can set it up to send it out in small batches. This will help not flood the internet with your emails so as that you will bypass a lot of the spam filters, as well as sending out targeted emails when people first sign up to your newsletter or your email list. If you've got a lead magnet set up, then you can use a welcome email sequence. If you're selling products, then you can use another sort of nurture sequence there. Newsletter types can be sent out as people have left all of those nurture sequences. Automation can also help you save time and ensure that the right message is delivered at the right moment for the customer. So the next step, step 6, is my favorite because it's all about analyzing and optimizing. So once you've sent all of your emails, go back in and check your stats. If you've done A/B testing, where you send slightly different emails to different people, usually by subject line, you can see what sort of emails are resonating with your audience. Perhaps the things that you think are interesting are not what your audience thinks, and you need to slightly tweak the content or the subject lines to match. It's always worth going back and checking them and making sure people are opening your emails. It's also worth going through and removing any people who are no longer interested in your emails. Perhaps you could set up an automation that if they don't open an email within 3 or 4 months, then you can send them another one that says, Are you interested in receiving my email still? This will help keep your email list smaller and more manageable, as well as ensuring that your open rates and click-through rates are higher, which will ensure deliverability amongst all of your subscribers. There are also some common pitfalls to avoid. Don't skip testing is the biggest one. It's embarrassing when a broken link or an image doesn't load. And watch your email frequency. Nobody likes being bombarded. There are some people who send out daily emails, but you will find that those tend to be a sentence or two, so people can quickly skim read them and delete them if they need to. Always check your deliverability is set up properly and with all of the right settings to make sure that you don't end up in the spam folder. And that's it, a step-by-step guide to email planning campaign from idea to execution. Remember to define your goal, know your audience, plan your content, design your campaign, automate where possible, and analyze the results. So what will your next email campaign be about? Let me know in the comments or message me. I'd love to hear your ideas. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and have subscribed to the channel, or even share it with somebody who you think might need these tips. Don't forget to check out my free resources in the comments section to take your email marketing to the next level. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.